Hey, to open SIM card slot on the Realme GT6, first of all you have to locate the SIM slot, so it's just right here. And now we have to also get this SIM tool. It's available in the box. So input this SIM tool right here, and now you will have to press on it. There we go. Remove your SIM tool. Try to gently remove your SIM slot, and there it is. Now it's open. If you want to put it back, you can for sure do this like this in this position, and then you have to press on it with your finger and it is inside. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.